Pry up the buckle of the wooden box. Take the top plate and platen. Sort various accessories. And remove the side plates of the box. Take out screws and gaskets from the toolkit for standby. Place the base vertically and keep the adjusting machine feet stable. Install 2 connecting rails at the bottom first. Then install 2 connecting rails on the side. Lock all screws after alignment. Remove 2 diagonal fixing screws from the wood plate. Remove the protective film of the complete machine. Place the spacer at the dropping position of the body. Fix the machine and frame with screws. The machine assembly is complete. Raise and secure the cable rack. Place the line axis. Tie the new thread to the existing one. Pull out a new line. Thread the wire in. Add white oil. Install rotary shuttle. Turn on the machine. First step. Rotate the button clockwise to release the emergency stop. Step 2. Check the needle position. If the needle position is not displayed on the screen, the handwheel needs to be turned. Rotate until the needle position appears. Step 3. Jogging test. Step 4. Needle down testing. Check if the needle is in the center of the needle plate. Step 5. Color change test. Step 6. Thread cutting test. Step 7. Wire breakage detection. Step 8. X and Y axis detection. Step 9. Test the frame function.